Morning, guys. Where is Lainey going? School. Look at her backpack. Come on now. Excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good girl. Keep going. Your friends are waiting. Come on, good girl. Yung skirt na suot niya, guys. Kaya Ate Paris, yan siya. Ngayon, kasyang-kasya na sa kanya. Come on. Are you mama's big girl?
Yeah.
Yes, kita.
Teenager cheetah.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. It's mommy's time this morning, guys. Tayo ay magpapakulay ng ating buhok. Aking appointment ay 10:30. Kaya lang, may hinihintay pa akong girlalo dito, guys. Kasi may bibili ng dress. And dapat sana 9:30 pipick upin niya sa bahay kanina. But she's running late sa kanyang meeting daw. So sabi niya, I can come around this time. So it's currently 10:20 now. Hinihintay ko lang siya, guys. Hopefully she'll be here soon kasi papasok na ako sa aking appointment. If ever naman, kailangan ko lang pumasok, so you can just go to the hairdresser. So yeah, yung gagawin natin sa ating hair, guys, is magpapatoner lang tayo. So as you can see, sobrang haba na ng tubo niya, ganyan. Ayan. Pero hindi tayo magpapa-foil. Normally kasi nagpapa-foil si mami niyo. Ngayon ay toner lang, guys, para mawala itong mga brasi-brasi na ganito. Ayan, pwede na siyang ipatimbang. Gitaya-taya. And super exciting, guys, kasi first time kong gamitin ngayon yung ating camera na binili ni Daddy Mike for our Christmas present. So, yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, let me know, guys, in the comment section below kung ano yung quality ng camera na to. Kasi first time kong gamitin. So, yeah, I'm not sure kung ano ba. Pero, sa nakikita ko sa screen ngayon, guys, is very clear naman. And I love it kasi sobrang handy niya, guys. Sobrang liit lang niya. Tapos, ayan, kitang-kita. Kitang-kita niyo yung sa likuran ko and hindi lang yung puro mukha ko ba. So, I love this already. We'll see how it goes throughout the day. Wala pa si ate, guys. Kailangan ko lang pumasok. Message siya na lang ako. Paskong-pasko na dito. Merry Christmas, everyone. Diyan ako pupunta. Clips. Look at this. We have tea. We have biscuit. Naliguan ang ating hair, guys. Ano ba? Ang cute ng ating camera. Super liit. Oh my God. I'm loving it, guys. Super handy. Hindi siya mabigat.
Hello, guys.
Look who's here. They're visiting mommy. Look at my hair.
The hair looks glossy.
Yeah? Yeah, no. That's the plan. You gonna go get coffee?
Yeah.
Tingnan yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike. May pabanda na. Tingnan yung pasuot. Ang kanyang pang-jiu-jitsu.
Daddy tries to say that I chose to see you first. Daddy get coffee.
Thank you, baby girl. Love you. Have a look, guys. Here's my hair. What do you think? What do you think, Daddy? Is it good?
I'm going to go down.
Breathtakingly gorgeous.
Are we going to go to snacks?
Huh?
Are we going to go to
No, get the
You
car.
look like a snack.
our
That's right. Mommy, come on.
not here.
Oi!
But our car's not here.
Huh?
Our car is not here.
No, of course, there. What?
We had a couple of beers at the concert first.
But you were like, oh, we're rushing and all that.
I did.
Ah, shush, Daddy.
No, seriously, I'm gonna go sit in the car.
Oh, can you show my hair from the back?
Yeah, yeah. Bottom. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
So we're going to take a Max to grab a present for Miss Eglinton, my teacher, and Miss Charlton, my other teacher. And I'm here with Mommy. Say hi. So we're going now. There's to Max. Okay. And we'll see you inside.
Dito kasi mas madaling maghanap ng pwedeng regalo mo. Ayun ako. Wag here lang. Oh.
Okay, I think Miss Charlton might want something from here. What's this?
That's cute.
Oh, so tender.
Wag get set ano. Sasakyan na kami guys. Nakabili na kami ng mga regalo namin para sa teacher na Ate Paris. Dalawa yung teacher na Ate Paris. So, you show it, anak. Show what we got for Miss Eglinton. Look at this.
We have this, what's it called? Cozy Feet Collagen
Collection.
Collection.
Collection. Kasi maraming French yung anak ko eh.
They put it upside down.
I know. And then sabi ni Ate Paris, they love chocolate, mommy. So, one each. Sila ng isang teacher. Ito. Yung iba-iba yung laman ba?
Yeah.
And then for Miss Charlton, ang cute ng bag, guys. Grabe, oh.
I'll show them the chocolate.
Napaka-cute. I wanna keep the bag.
So, I want to show them the chocolate first. We have another chocolate. And then we have this whole set that's heavy. I'll read it right. Body care collection.
Collision.
Collection. Shower gel, body scrub, bath salt, body lotion.
So, ayan.
What's that?
Para sa isang
Oh,
teacher
it's
niya.
body
And then, yeah, we will go now. Kasi,
Ow.
hanggang 3 o'clock lang na yata sila sa school. So,
What's
make
the
sure
time
nandun
now?
sila. It's now 1:33. So, we better go, yeah? So, ayan. For the teacher, Paris teachers. Do you think they'll be happy? Do you think they like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let's go. Sit on. Ay, napaka-busy ng buhay ay. Christmas.
Curtis ducks.
Buti na lang tayo ng hair, oh. Bawal ma-stress kasi pa-toner tayo. Ayan.
Mama?
So, nawala na yung brassy niya, guys.
Mama,
Diba?
can we
Ano na siya, parang soft na siya na brown.
Yes, you cannot put your elbows and you cannot fold your arms straight like this. So everybody, feet down the mat, hands on your shoulders, tuck your chin on your chest, and 1. Nice. It's hot. 2. It's triangle, circle. And 3. And 4. Now, please let go. And 5. Nice.
Tapos lang ng jiu-jitsu ni Ate Paris, guys. So, ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung place. Can you see it there? Ayan. Tubig yan dyan. Huh? First time pala namin dito sa suburb na to, guys. Kasi normally, yung jiu-jitsu ni Ate Paris ay sa Bulimba yung malapit sa amin. Kaya lang, they're doing some renovations, I think. So, dito tayo sa pangalawang building nila. It's actually very nice here. Hindi pa kami dito eh. Suloy-suloy. Why does it like... You okay? Are you okay, Pauline? Alright, just carry her, bub. How's your day, my love? Hang on. Hold it. Okay, don't drop it, okay? Don't drop it. It's okay.
Say hi, I'm Selena Gang.
Tell them, say hi, guys. It's okay, you talk.
Hi. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Tell them where we're going. Tell them what you're eating for dinner.
What?
Tell them what you're eating for dinner.
I'm
Okay,
eating.
make sure it's like this.
What do I say?
Sinigang. You say we're
Singing.
having sinigang for dinner.
We have singing for dinner, And look at Auntie here.
Don't drop it.
Auntie, say hi to the camera. Auntie, say hi to camera. Hey, you can hold it. Hi, everybody. Good.
Lean. Don't jump like a guy on concrete with that in your hand.
I do not want to sit down.
Alright, well then
Okay.
you can have
Say
nothing.
bye.
Bye.
What do you wanna eat, Len? Lenny? Kanina pa to siya sinigang ng sinigang eh. Ha? Sinigang? Shush, mura ko rin. Punta kami sa Filipino restaurant. Diyan kami mag-dinner. Buti na lang malapit sa amin, no? Parang ginawang kusina. Oh.
Another one. She's also a
Honey, you know sinigang is soup, yeah? It's soup. Hello. Honey? Here's our bulalo, guys. And sinigang na baboy. Sarap ng kain ni Manoy. Ito siya, oh. Ito talaga siya nanghingi ng bulalo, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Anak. Oh, wow. Dilo bulalo? Ha? Ay, bulalo. Sinigang. Sinigang?